Hello, in this video, I will be giving you a quick guide on how you can block your HSBC debit card fast if it's missing or used without your permission. First, you will have to log into the HSBC app or online banking and go to your debit card settings. Look for black or freeze or report lost stolen. And next, you will use the on-screen option to block card immediately or call the emergency support number listed on the website. After that, you will request a replacement debit card and confirm whether you want a new PIN. Then, you will monitor your account for any suspicious activity and report unauthorized transactions to HSBC right away. Finally, update any recurring payments that use the old card once your new card arrives. Quick tip: keep your phone number updated with the bank to make emergency actions faster. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Have a good day.